Good afternoon, my beautiful girlies. It's Grace, and let's hop right in to this makeup get ready with me. It has been a couple of weeks, in all honesty, probably a couple of months since I last said that intro. If y'all hear any noise or noises in the background, that is just the rain making an introduction into the video. So I apologize for that. Gosh, what do I say? Well, how have y'all been? I hope y'all have been well. I hope that y'all's year has been going great so far. It is summertime now, so I'm very, very happy that we're finally in summer. I know that the last time that I talked to y'all, we were in spring, I believe. Yeah, we were in spring. So it's just great that we are now in the summertime. We are now in the season where the sun is just out 24/7, or at least I hope it would be out 24/7, because as we all know, summertime is also the season where there's a lot of showers, especially for next month, July showers especially. So honestly, y'all, I didn't even think I would film today because, in all honesty, I was gonna wait till next week to film, but then I was like, if I wait and keep pushing the date back, I'm not gonna do it until next month. So I forced myself to get up and film, and also just to like check in on y'all. Like it's been a minute. I really hope that y'all are doing great. I just hope that y'all are having a good one. And the topic of today's discussion, I guess, goes into a topic that I wanted to discuss for the past couple of weeks, but I've just been putting it off because I'm just lazy like that. The topic is just really put effort. That's really all I even have to say, is to put effort. And it doesn't mean like, and with this subject, it's not like specific to any group. It's really just to anything that you want to apply this topic in. So whether if it's like with relationships, with your family, your friends, romantic, with any dreams that you want to get accomplished or get done, it really doesn't matter. But gosh, the rain just these thunderstorms will not let me speak my video. It's like they're speaking for me at this point. I don't know, but just put effort. Just put effort in whatever you want to do. Honestly, the more effort that you put, I believe it challenges you, because especially in this economy, and especially in the world right now, unfortunately, everything is just so freaking crazy. It's much easier to feel discouraged. I know that I have felt very, very discouraged, and I have felt like I just can't accomplish anything. Being in my 20-something, it's been a lot. It really has been a lot, not only for me, but probably for everyone else. And it just seems like whatever sort of effort we want to put into whatever we want to do, it feels like that's just not going to get anywhere, or it's not going to go anywhere. But I encourage y'all just to put more effort, or to at least put like 1 teeny weeny % of effort into whatever you want to do, because you may never know, and you'd be surprised what little effort can go a long way, or how little bit of that effort can go a long way. I don't know why I phrased it like that, but yeah. And also, you could also put effort in just to, I guess, like escape from the life that you're living right now, or just escape from whatever is like happening at this point, because there's so much that is freaking happening in this world, like I just said before. But if we're going to be specific, we could talk about relationships, whether if it's between like platonic, like friendship, romantic with your, like your significant other, or familial with your, like your family members, like your mom, your dad, siblings, whatever. You know, I believe when you put more effort, you are less interested and disinterested in mediocrity. And I think the reason why we tend to not put effort, and I'm not saying like we shouldn't be basic or we shouldn't have those days where we do like absolutely nothing. I'm not saying that whatsoever. But what I am saying is that, you know, in my personal opinion, I feel like the reason why we tend not to go after what we want to do is because, one, we may feel like we don't deserve that love, or we don't deserve to have someone else, you know, think of us in that high regard or to feel important. And, you know, also time is ticking. Okay. And, you know, if I'm going to accomplish my dreams or accomplish my passions that I've always wanted to do, I'm just going to try, you know, like, I feel like I'm just rambling right now, but honestly, just try. Put a little bit of effort into whatever you want to do. I mean, not only will it challenge you, not only will you reap the fruits that you planted, I feel like you'll be a better person. And yeah, I feel like I just said a whole bunch of nothing, but I just wanted to get that thought out. That's been in my mind for a little bit. So just want to get that out there, just to put effort in whatever you want to do. You may never know where it will take you. And I would rather, you know, put effort and try and get rejected versus never putting effort and trying and wondering what if. So yeah. Wow. There was no makeup involved in this video. Only just my eyebrows. That's really it. I just really wanted to come up here and talk and just get my thoughts out into the void, into the internet void. And yeah, but nevertheless, I really do hope that y'all are doing great, and I'm really going to try to be consistent again. I really do, because this, you heard that voice crack? This is just like, you know, on the back burner, and I really have to get better at that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you all enjoyed, even though I felt like I was rambling. If you did make it to the end of this video, I really do appreciate you watching, and I'm humbled and flattered that you think I have so much to say and that y'all think I'm really philosophical or whatever, but I genuinely do appreciate your viewership. I hope that y'all have an amazing Monday, an amazing week. And also, before I go, let's check out the hair. I love it. I really like this hair. I like so this hairstyle inspiration was like I wanted like a braided headband, and I wanted to like have like, you know, a leave out at like the ends of my hair. So it's like a half up, half down, basically. I really like it. I've never done this kind of style before, so I'm very impressed. But anyways, I just had to get that out there. I hope that y'all have an amazing Monday, an amazing week. Jeez. And I will see all of y'all's beautiful faces next time. Bye, guys.